So here's something. Roll it. DPU, alright. While ago, the train honked at me once today, and the engineer waving at me. How cool was that BNSF with our SD70 Ace and the SD70 Mac and the ES44 AC? Symbol that train was BNSF SD70 Ace locomotive with our SD70 Mac and 2 DPU. All rights were SD70 Max and ES44 AC. That train originates at the Clifton Hill, Missouri by Thomas Hill, Missouri at the Thomas Hill Power Plant. Heads north, going to turn west at Heritage Road, going west of Bevere. On his way, honked at me here in Callao one time, heading west, going to Kansas City, Missouri, get some breakfast. On his way west to Alliance, Nebraska on this Sunday, Grandparents' Day, September 11, 2022, by Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains on YouTube. Happy Grandparents' Day. Here's the next video. Roll it.